Artificial intelligence is changing the world. From the way we communicate to how we work and even how we entertain ourselves, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. We interact with AI every day, often without even realizing it. Whether it's through our smartphones, smart home devices, or even our cars, AI is seamlessly woven into the fabric of our existence. From the suggestions on your favorite streaming service to the helpful chatbot on a shopping website, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our lives. These systems learn from our preferences and behaviors to provide a more personalized experience. But what exactly is AI, and what are the different forms it can take? AI can range from simple algorithms to complex neural networks, each designed to perform specific tasks. Two common terms you'll hear are AI chatbot and AI agent. Chatbots are typically designed for specific tasks like customer service, while AI agents can perform a broader range of functions. While they might seem interchangeable, there are distinct differences between the two. Chatbots are often rule-based and limited in scope, whereas AI agents are more advanced and capable of learning from interactions. Understanding these differences is key to navigating the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. As AI continues to evolve, so too will our interactions with these intelligent systems, making it crucial to stay informed and adaptable. An AI chatbot is like a digital assistant, always ready to help you with various tasks. You've probably encountered chatbots on websites where they pop up to offer assistance or answer your questions, or when messaging a business, these chatbots are there to provide quick responses and support. These chatbots are programmed to answer questions and provide information, making your interactions smoother and more efficient. They follow a set of rules and scripts, responding to specific keywords or phrases. This allows them to handle a wide range of inquiries. Think of them as advanced versions of the automated phone systems that ask you to press 1 for billing or 2 for support. Chatbots are reactive, meaning they respond to your input but don't initiate conversations or take actions on their own. They wait for you to make the first move. However, some advanced digital assistants, like voice-activated ones, can proactively offer suggestions based on your habits and preferences. These assistants can remind you of appointments, suggest routes to avoid traffic, and even recommend new music or restaurants. They integrate seamlessly into your daily life, making tasks easier and more convenient. From controlling smart home devices to managing your schedule, digital assistants are becoming indispensable. AI agents represent a significant leap in artificial intelligence. Unlike chatbots, AI agents are proactive. They don't just respond to instructions, they can act autonomously to achieve a goal. Imagine a self-driving car. It's not just reacting to your commands. It's constantly analyzing its surroundings, making decisions, and taking actions to get you safely to your destination. That's an AI agent in action. They learn from their experiences and adapt their behavior accordingly. Section 4. Chatbots versus AI agents, a head-to-head. Let's break down the key differences between chatbots and AI agents. Chatbots reactive. They respond to user input, script-based, they follow predefined rules and responses, limited learning. They may have some learning capabilities but primarily operate within their programming. AI agents, proactive. They can initiate actions and make decisions independently. Goal-oriented. They work towards achieving specific objectives. Adaptive learning. They learn from experiences and improve their performance over time. Section 5. The future of AI, a world of possibilities. As AI technology advances, the line between chatbots and AI agents will likely blur. These intelligent systems are becoming more integrated into our daily lives, assisting us in ways we never imagined. From simple customer service interactions to complex problem-solving scenarios, AI is revolutionizing the way we communicate and operate. We can expect to see chatbots with more sophisticated conversational abilities. These advancements will enable them to understand context better, provide more accurate responses, and even predict user needs before they are explicitly stated. Imagine a world where your virtual assistant not only schedules your meetings but also suggests the best times based on your productivity patterns, and AI agents capable of handling increasingly complex tasks. From personalized education and healthcare to streamlined business operations, AI is set to transform every aspect of our lives. In education, AI can tailor learning experiences to individual students, ensuring that each learner gets the support they need to succeed. And scientific breakthroughs, The potential applications of AI are vast and transformative. In healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and developing personalized treatment plans. In scientific research, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to uncover new insights and drive innovation. As we enter this new era of intelligent machines, one question remains: how will we harness the power of AI to create a better future for everyone? The possibilities are endless, and the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. It's up to us to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly for the benefit of all humanity.